Hey guys, Joe here and welcome to 365 WebX. And today I'll be showing you guys how to resolve the secure connection fade error. Okay, so I've been trying to have access this website, and it's been giving me this error, which is caused by a TLS feature. And here we have the error code. Okay, this it's a very known code for this kind of connection error. And here you have Mozilla providing information on how to resolve these problems. But I, on the other hand, have done some research, and I came across this article, a short fix for this provided by really SSL, really simple SSL. Okay, and according to them, this error is caused when there's an issue with OCSP stapling on your web server. Okay, for those of you who don't know what OCSP means, is it stands for the Online Certificate Status Protocol. Okay, and it is the alternative to the certificate revocation list. Okay, that is not why we are here. What we are here is to resolve this problem. And so, without wasting too much of your time, first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to, let's open a new tab here. And what you want to do is type in about column config. So you want to enter about column config. Okay, and hit enter. And then here you have to be careful. Okay, proceed with caution. That is what it's telling us. And this error is commonly found in Firefox. So we want to accept the risk and continue. And here you have the ability to type in exactly what you're looking for, or to click here to expand all of these, or to click down here and it will expand all the features for you. Okay, so but what we want to do is we want to search for, now let me expand all of these, show all, and here you have bunch of stuff. Okay, and this is not what we're looking for, so it's difficult to find what you're looking for this way. So let's go straight and type in OCSP. Okay, now it has brought up all the features that has OCSP with it. And here what you want to look for is a security.ssl.enable-_ OCSP _must_staple, and here it is set to true. Okay, and to resolve this, you want to toggle this and set it to false right here. Okay, if I double click, or you can just double click and it changes to false or true. So here it is false. This is the default, and this is what you want to make sure it's on false. Okay, and that is it. Let's go back and reload the page. Voila, here it has loaded. Okay, so now if we come back here and click for return it to the default, okay, which is true, and we come back and reload the page, here we have the connection fade error again. So if we go back and toggle this to true, we have, and reload the page, you see that it has been resolved. So that is how to fix the secured connection fade error, mostly in in Firefox browser. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, and of course let's subscribe. If you have a better way to fix this, then let us know in the comment section. Okay, we learn here at 365 WebX as well. Okay,